Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to combine or merge multiple PDF files into one PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open Foxit PDF Editor software. Now click on this convert option, this menu bar, and here you will find this combine files option. Select here. Now click on this add files and go folder location and open your PDF file and select multiple one, this one also, and four of these I combine. Now select open, and this now here you can change and rearrange your PDF file, move up, and this one I move down, and see this. If you want, you can remove anyone, and finally select this combine option, and see this. This multiple PDF file now convert into one PDF file, and see this. Yeah, this is. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.